Welcome, everyone. Here's a cool little accessory that was made a long time ago to draw spirits in using a radionic machine into one of these holding devices. This is a mirrored box. One of the sides has broken off of this, but it's a mirrored box, and these are designed and have been used for many, many years, maybe hundreds of years, to actually hold spirits in there. So if you put spirits in a mirrored box, it tends to confuse their energy and to hold them in there. And this is another fascinating way to grab spirits and to work with them for a period of time. And of course, this used to connect electrically, which we no longer do, but you can actually plug this into your radionic machine so that you can tune into a spirit. The spirit will then go through this into the box and be held there for a certain period of time. So this is something that is quite a cool little attachment. It just shows you how versatile these types of radionic tuning can be if you know what you're doing, you use the right rate cards, etc., and the right accessories. And of course, everything now we use some sort of energetic plate. Here's a spirit type energetic plate that tends to hold spirits or draw spirits to you into attraction of the plate and then into the device. It helps it as well. So this is all part of the next level technology that Radionic Tech is offering, and we all need to recognize the cool advances here and the opportunities of this kind of tech gives the average person. It's easy to use, it's powerful and efficient, just like our new machines are. On the top here, of course, it has this actually is a crystal skull, a quartz crystal skull that was painted gold on the top, just giving it another cool look. It has feet on this box to give it another cool look. So there's a lot of little touches on this that make this a really cool little tool. These are not available. I doubt if they ever will be, but just another aspect of radionics in the more spirit-catching, ghost-busting type reality.